Hello everyone. Today, doing something a little different. I'm going to go pick up a game. Actually, it's not a complete game, it's just a cabinet, but pretty excited. I've got my partner in crime, my son Thomas, with me. But we are heading out right now. I got to stop by the bank and get some money. And then we're going to go pick this game up. And when I get back, we'll pick up the video. We are en route, and I thought I would take a little video of how cool it looks back here. This dirt road out here in the wilderness. Yeah. Oh, there's a big, some kind of a tractor. Yep, farm country. All right, we're en route to Berserk. Pick back up here in a little bit. Maybe on the way back after we've picked it up. I'll chime back in. All right. Ew. Okay, we've made it home and got something to eat for a minute, and then now came out and we just got the game unloaded from the car and into here. So let's take a look. I think I already gave away what it was. Look what I found. Paid $100 for this. You got the nice Berserk artwork. This is a nice cabinet. It's not all destroyed on the bottom. It sets well. Came with the glass. The glass is really dirty. It needs to be cleaned up. I need to buy a control panel. And because this one's got an extra hole drilled into it, so I'm just going to get a Repro, one of those Repro Berserk control panels, and a marquee. If anybody has either of those two items that watches this video, please get a hold of me. I will purchase them off of you. It doesn't have the it does not have the slider door, which is, that's okay. I can build that. Someone painted over the Berserk, I think, but that's okay. It's got the art, the side art. That's good. And these things are usually busted up. This is actually in pretty good shape. You got your artwork, and see how someone kind of blacked that out. Yeah, you know, the old, it's got scars, dings, but it's not all water damage down there. It looks decent. Got the, it came with the back door. The back door is actually in the garage part. We've got a board in here. I don't know what that is yet, but that will be a nice parts donor. Looks like it's a JAMA game, which I'm just not interested in that at all. So that will become a parts board for me. It does have the original stern. Oh boy, you can't see. Let me get my phone. See if I can get the flashlight rolling. Okay. It's got the original stern transformer down there, which is nice. You can see where they just kind of severed the taps off of it, which is fine. I can fix that up. Switcher junk, but it's got a lot of the original wiring in it, which is nice. The AC part of the wiring anyway. At the coin door. This is the monitor mount, Which this thing was mounted in here like it was mirroring or something. Yeah. I don't know what this board is. Yeah. The good thing is I have a stern cabinet over here that has the mounting stuff in it. See, it's got the stuff in it to mount the monitor, the mounts and everything. I can use those out of this cabinet. So, yeah. And I'll make my Berserk. I've got a good board set for it. I've got the wiring harness. I've got power supply. You know, the original linear power supply I do have for this. So that will be a project that I will work on now and again. One of my all-time favorites. I paid $100 for this cabinet. I'm extremely happy and excited about having a Berserk. This will be my third time owning a Berserk game. And it'll be the last because I'll never sell this one. I'll never get rid of this one. I've always regretted it. Yeah. So, the first Berserk that I had didn't have the side art. It was a Frenzy cabinet originally that somebody painted. Somebody painted over. I don't remember quite. And I ended up just painting it black. But it was a Frenzy cabinet, so it was the right cabinet. But it didn't have side art. Then the second one that I bought had all the artwork, except for it didn't have the glass. It had a Frenzy glass, which was weird. So it must have been converted to a Frenzy at some point. I don't know. Yeah, so this one has the artwork, and this one will stay Berserk once I'm done with it. So, and it'll be back there, and I'll be playing it all the time. So I'm pretty happy about that. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Let me know if anyone has a lead on those couple of things. I'm looking for a control panel and a marquee. I can make this work. It's got a lot of flaking on it. But you know what? I'm okay with that. We'll make that work. So all right, cool. To be continued at another time. Thanks for watching, and comment below if you can help me out with those things. Thanks, guys.